Wait until you get up here, cause they gonna be bullshit.
I should get hot.
Oh, you don't be getting hot?
This nigga 185.
Oh, you 180? And they got your thermostat in here, fan. You got electric fans.
Do rail.
What? Oh yeah, that's them. That's that. They said they #1 in cooling. He got that D-rail on there. I'm glad I didn't go low.
If I go too high, they gonna get. See, I go to rev limit too fast.
What the rev limit on? 7,000?
6,000.
6,000?
Then
Damn.
I'm burning tires, that motherfucker.
Oh, they just didn't want you to blow your motor up. They didn't want you to blow your motor, so they, cause you is a little dangerous.
Get one more burn.
Well, yeah, dry hop and make sure. See what it gonna do. Oh, it done went half track.
I should get him.
You think that's gonna get him? Okay, hey. Oh, okay, wait a minute.
Get them tires off.
Oh yeah, they getting hot. They hot. They hot. They hot.
I can drive about 80 miles per hour.
You don't do it with me. No. 80. You can't do no 80 with me. I'm getting out. Okay. You can drive back with 80. Oh man, hell no.
When I was young, I did.
Oh, you did? What kind of car you was
I had
in?
a 72 Deuce.
Oh, Deuce in the quarter 225. Say, man.
My daddy gave it to me, got mad and tried to take it back.
What you did?
My in them streets in Memphis.
Oh, in Memphis? Everybody going down over there, man. Let me see, he's got the Buick Regal. Hey.
I gotta get that light.
Oh, you got, I don't even know what a seatbelt turn. Hey, hold up, we the boys. Hey, man, we ain't even got no seat. Oh, there you go, I got it. Damn, how the hell I'm gonna get that way over there? Oh, here it comes. Oh, there we go. All right, y'all, we in there now. I got the seatbelt on. Oh, he getting ready, Get ready for his ass. Oh, God damn, what he got? Go get him. Oh, can't go get him. Man, he must got some juice, man. I think that, why you don't, well, nah, I don't know. You probably don't need no juice. You don't need no juice.
I waited too late.
Yeah, I think, yeah, he jumped out there. You seen this 60 foot? He jumped out there good, man. We need it.
That's why I need that trans.
Oh, did his truck miss? No, I don't think he. Oh, no, he probably, he good. You know, they be talking about, you gotta check your plug and all that. How often you change your plugs?
This motor ain't got but like 220 miles.
Oh, yeah, I forgot you ain't. Yeah, you only drive this thing on the weekends.
Damn, man, that's why I need that trans brake, dog. Cause if I had the button, I would have to.
Yeah, you could just jump off that button. You think that'll help your reaction time? That's what it's supposed to do.
It's gonna take forever to get in line, ain't it?
Oh yeah, it's gonna take forever to get in the line, man.
One more.
You gonna do one more?
Alright.
What the temperature still 185?
Yeah. It don't run hot.
Oh, it don't run. They set you up right, man. They knew what you needed, man. Cause it take a cold person to know what the what motor you need in order for you to be happy and not blow it up.
Man, I did like a 7.7 tonight. That wasn't nothing. I was burning tires the first year, but
Yeah.
I get in 7, I'll be alright.
Yeah, that's faster than these scat packs and all that.
For real?
Heck yeah, you could be the scat pack. You almost down there with the Hellcats and stuff.
I can put like a 50 shot of nitrous.
Man, you can put 150, 200, man. You can, yeah, you start out with 100. Man, every motor can take 100 more horsepower than it got. Every motor, I put 100 shot on that little Honda right there. Yeah, man, I got a video, man. We rent cars, put nitrous. Yeah, you can put 100 shot on that right there, man. It ain't gonna blow. Yeah, you at least need 150. Put you 150 on there. Let your same people do it though. They know something.
It's too far to walk, man.
Yeah.
I need to go to the truck.
Oh, you got a truck here?
Yeah, parked over there in the street.
Oh, well, shit, go on over there and get the truck, man. What you finna get? You ain't finna make no more passes?
Yeah, I'm gonna get something to drink or something.
Oh, okay, yeah, me too, man. I done got that. I done left this light on in here.
Where the caprice at, man?
I'm finna get the caprice out. I'm gonna run you when I come out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run you when
Next time I come out here, I'm gonna have the Mickey Thompson slicks and
the trans brake. I'm gonna try you, man. Next time I come, I might have the Mustang. I might let you take off. If you see me in the Mustang, I'm gonna let you take off. And if I'm in the Caprice, we're gonna run head up.
Yes, I see you.
Me and you.
Driving, right?
Yeah, my grandma. I'm finna let my grandma, when it come back out, me and my grandma gonna make a new video. She the first one to drive it, man. I already told her. Appreciate the ride, man. Yeah, we finna. Damn, some up there got a turbo. Let me see if I can make it over there to it. Some up there got a turbo. Look. Oh shit, got the Huracan Lamborghini in the building. Shot on that thing. They jamming too hard over here. Hey, hey. Need to go all the way around. What's up with it? Look out.